Alright, I just wanted to review this, and I can't pronounce the word. Anyway, this hammer drill is very awesome. Look at this case, it's very solid. Now, it did not come with that bit. I ordered that separately. But, my lord, see this whole trench right here? It helped dig that trench. See that back wall? It dug that entire back wall. And this thing is amazing. I mean, amazing. And the case it comes with, spectacular. My God, I mean, these are the drill bits. It comes with this really good lubricant. It comes with chisel bits and drill bits. Again, this is something I ordered separately, but this case is solid. This drill, oh my Lord! If you want to dig up concrete, or you want to get in some heavy duty work, I would highly recommend this drill. Oh my. It did all this work. I mean, all of it. Look back there. It was all done by that drill there. It just goes to town. It's like almost like a demolition drill. And the nice thing is it works on a basic house circuit. You don't need to have a high-powered circuit. That's what I needed. Something that worked on a basic circuit. But again, I would highly recommend this drill.
Just open up the ENEACRO hammer drill. Everything is here except the wrench to open up the grease compartment. Well, I don't like to buy things that is not as advertised. Please, can you send a key to open up the grease compartment?
Getting ready to work on my project. Read the instructions here as well as there, lubed it up, inserted correctly. Knob has been turned to hammer only, as well as this knob to hammer only, and it does not hammer.
works, guys. It's a quality bit. It took me about 20 minutes to drill this entire piece out of concrete, plus mystery materials in the middle.